Hey buddies, this is Tiger Meow and welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified. So today I'm bringing you to one of my photo shoots. It's just in the nearby playground or park. So this is how I take my photos usually. So yeah, come with me. So here are my gears. I have a Sony A7 camera and I have the Elsa figure, and today I'll be taking Elsa with Olaf and the chameleon from Tangled, Pascal. So let's take a photo. So what I usually do is find somewhere where I can put the toys like this rock. So I'll put Elsa, maybe put Olaf, and then I'll shoot with the DSLR. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Meow!